So let's talk about a little bit about how to start an entity in Mexico to do business. If foreigners want to, or US persons want to start an entity in Mexico and make an investment directly in Mexico, there need three main steps. One, the lawyer's company that we create, this the first step. The second one, the public notary in Mexico, and third is with the SAT. So the law firms create company articles, determine what kind of entity you want to do in Mexico, pretty similar like here, Inc., company, corporation company, or a limited liability company. The business services that we're going to provide and the amount for investment, company name, it's important, I will tell you why. And provide a list of shareholders in case. So then when everyone is in agreement with that, so this is going to pass for a public notary to revise and approve the company agreements and articles. The public notary is responsible, then the accountant, so inside them, they are responsible just to revise if the, if the company can be the partnership agreements and all that. So submit the name for SAT, company name for SAT, Mexican new entity request creation, it's a separate submission, and then provide a list and shareholders. So the SAT going to proceed and verify all that info and will approve. So the last part of SAT, they receive the request, they revise and approve the information, register the name. These are the guys that register the name and the list of shareholders, provide the Mexican tax ID, and these guys are the same that approve the Mexican import of records as well in case. Okay,